Modern patio doors Lafayette homeowners choose can transform everyday living with wider views, smoother operation, and better access to outdoor spaces. From sleek sliding patio doors Lafayette families love for space-saving convenience to elegant French patio doors Lafayette properties use for timeless curb appeal. The right style improves comfort and value. Many residential patio doors Lafayette homes install today are designed for stronger security, low maintenance, and lasting performance in humid South Louisiana weather. For backyard patio doors Lafayette residents want for patios, decks, and pool areas. Modern materials and upgraded glass create a bright, functional transition between indoor and outdoor living. Patio door installation Lafayette services are essential when aging, drafty, or damaged doors begin affecting energy bills and home security. Skilled patio door contractors Lafayette Homeowners Trust can measure openings accurately, remove outdated units, and complete precise patio door replacement Lafayette projects with minimal disruption. Whether you need sliding glass door installation Lafayette, Louisiana for a contemporary remodel or French patio door replacement Lafayette, Louisiana for a classic home refresh, experienced installers help ensure proper sealing, alignment, and performance. Exterior door and patio door installers Lafayette residents often recommend tailored options based on layout, sun exposure, and storm protection needs. Energy-efficient patio doors Lafayette buyers seek are ideal for reducing heat transfer in the Louisiana climate while keeping interiors comfortable year-round. Insulated patio doors Lafayette homes benefit from often feature advanced frames, weather stripping, and double-pane patio doors Lafayette property owners prefer for better thermal control. Double-pane patio door replacement Lafayette, Louisiana can be a smart upgrade for older homes with single-pane glass or poor insulation. Energy-efficient patio doors near downtown Lafayette are especially popular in renovation projects where homeowners want comfort, quieter interiors, and lower cooling costs without sacrificing natural light or style. Custom patio doors Lafayette options give homeowners the flexibility to match architecture, personal taste, and practical performance needs. From custom glass patio doors Acadiana Lafayette, Louisiana residences install for panoramic backyard views to custom patio doors in Lafayette designed for unique openings, tailored solutions make a major difference in both appearance and fit. Modern patio doors Lafayette and traditional patio doors Lafayette can both be customized with hardware finishes, grid patterns, frame colors, and glass options. Home patio door upgrades Lafayette homeowners invest in often start with a consultation to choose the right balance of beauty, durability, and function. Vinyl patio doors Lafayette homeowners frequently select offer affordability, durability, and low maintenance performance in wet, hot conditions. Vinyl sliding patio doors Lafayette homes use are resistant to rot, peeling, and corrosion, making them a practical fit for busy households. Aluminum patio doors Lafayette properties choose can provide a slimmer profile and a clean, modern aesthetic, especially in homes with contemporary architecture. Glass patio doors Lafayette residents prefer in either vinyl or aluminum frames allow sunlight to brighten interiors while supporting easy access to outdoor entertaining areas, gardens, and covered patios throughout Lafayette, Louisiana and nearby Acadiana communities. Patio door repair Lafayette services can restore smooth operation and security when doors stick, leak, rattle, or fail to lock properly. Homeowners often search for patio door repair near River Ranch, Lafayette when rollers wear out, tracks become damaged, or seals begin to fail. Patio door glass replacement Lafayette and patio door glass repair in Lafayette, Louisiana are also common needs after cracks, fogging, or accidental damage affect visibility and insulation. A reliable patio door company Lafayette residents trust can diagnose whether a repair is sufficient or whether a full replacement offers better long-term value. French doors for patios Lafayette homes feature remain a favorite for homeowners who want traditional charm and wide-opening access to outdoor spaces. French patio doors Lafayette designs complement many home styles in Lafayette, from classic ranch houses to upscale homes near River Ranch, Youngsville, and South Lafayette. Traditional patio doors Lafayette families choose often include decorative grids, rich finishes, and elegant hardware, While modern sliding patio doors, Lafayette homeowners prefer deliver a minimalist look and easy everyday use. With the right patio door services Lafayette provider, both styles can be installed to maximize function, beauty, and weather resistance.